Good morning, friends. We will see the FIBBA semester 1 syllabus. What are the topics include in fundamental of business management? Yes, let me look what are the topics included in fundamental of business management. I am Navneet Aghera. I will take the subject fundamental of business management in FIBBA semester 1. In unit first, we will see the introduction of business management. In this chapter or in this unit, we will see the concept of management and features of management. What are the features and what is management? And then management as an art and science. Why management is tell as a art as well as science. Then management as a profession. Then management as a process, functions of management. What are the process of management? How management works? What are the functions of management? It will we see. Significance of management. Why management is important in our life? Why we manage all these things? Because whatever the things available are in scarce in nature. So we have to manage all these things. So management is as important as in our life. Then brief idea of management, managerial role. Okay, in our culture or in our society, different organizations are situated, and in this organization, different managers are appointed. What are their roles? What they are doing? What they are working? Then second unit is planning. In management, planning is most important. If you don't plan, then you cannot manage all these things. Why we have to manage all these things? We have to manage all these things, risk management, planning and all these things. In the planning, unit 2, we have to see concept and definition. What is planning? Then planning definition, then nature of planning. What kind of planning? Short-term plan, long-term plan. We have to manage all these things. Then planning process. We have to make plan there. For that, we have to follow the particular process. If we are going to plan for journey or tour, then we have to follow the particular process. In this way, same way, planning is a process. Planning concept and type. Then what are the planning concepts and types? What kind of planning we can do it? Then needs and importance of plan. Okay, why we need planning? If we don't plan, we cannot manage all these things. In our life, we have to plan day to day or long term plan or short term plan or mid term plan. If we don't plan, we cannot manage all these things in our life. What happened to our life? Then in the planning chapter, needs and importance of plan. Okay, and then unit 3, organizing and staffing. In organizing, we have to see concept and definition of organizing. Then we have to look up process of organizing, how we create organization. Then what are the structure of organization. Then factor affecting organization structure. What are the factors that affect the organization structure? Let me give you the example. In any company or any organization, we have seen many types of organization. As a president, vice president or chairman, vice chairman, manager, general manager and then employees. This is the one kind of structure. Okay, this is how we create a structure. Then factor affecting the organization structure. What are the factors that affect the creation of organization? Then forms of organization. What kind of forms available in the organization? Then in that functional committee, project, matrix, network. These are the different types of structure or forms that we can form in organization. Then staffing means how we handle the men or employees, how we recruit, what are the process of recruitment, how recruitment process will work, how we shortlist the candidate. All these things were included in the staffing, and we have to manage all this staff because staffing is most important in management. We have to manage employee or men. That is why staffing is most important. Concept of staffing. In this staffing, we will see concept, functions of staffing, then factor affecting to the staffing. Staffing has a many factors that affect because it includes human being. So staffing has a many factors that affect the human being. Then unit 4, directing and controlling. All the things we are doing, it should be done in a right direction. Then we can achieve our goal or our what we have set, our milestone. Okay, so we have the right direction, then and only our organization should achieve its goal or its milestone. So directing is important, as well as it should be controlled in a way so that it will minimize the risk and it should neglect or it should bypass the risk or its situation. So directing in the unit 4, in directing we will see concept of directing, tools of directing and importance of directing. In controlling we will see concept of controlling, process of controlling and importance of controlling. So we have to see whole syllabus and we will see whole syllabus. This is the whole syllabus of fundamental of management. We have to learn in semester 1. Okay, in examination system, how examination, in the examination it will work, I will show you. In university examination, exam internal marks will be 30 and external marks be 70. For that internal mark you have to give midterm exam, and then in the term end you have to give the external exam that will be taken by university, and internal exam will be taken by particular institute. So both we combine, it will 100 marks paper. In the examination system, it has how paper style will be given to you. That is, we will discuss for the paper style. University has given 10 questions. Out of which you have to write 5 questions of each 14 marks. So out of 10 questions you have to write 5 questions of each 14 marks. Each question carried 14 marks, and out of 20 questions or 10 questions you have to write 5 questions. So we have seen whole syllabus and examination for the F5 semester 1 BBA. Let's we talk about management. What is management? First of all, what is fundamental of management? Management is a art and science. Management is art and science of getting things done to the people. Don't get, I will explain in very clear manner. Management is an art and science of getting things done to the people. Means management is art. Art means kala. And science means vignan. Management is art as well as science of getting things done. Getting things done means how we can take work from our employee. That is getting things done. Means આપણે જે ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ છીએ કે બીજા માણસો પાસેથી કામ કઢાવવાની જે કળા છે એ મેનેજમેન્ટ છે. વોટ બીજા માણસો પાસેથી જે કામ કઢાવવાની કળા છે ધેટ ઇઝ મેનેજમેન્ટ. એટલા માટે જ કીધું છે કે મેનેજમેન્ટ ઇઝ આર્ટ એઝ વેલ એઝ સાયન્સ. મેનેજમેન્ટ છે એ પૂરેપૂરી કળા પણ નથી અને મેનેજમેન્ટ છે એ પૂરેપૂરું સાયન્સ પણ નથી. ધેટ ઇઝ મિક્સચર ઓફ આર્ટ એન્ડ સાયન્સ. વી હેવ daily in our daily life we manage all these things, our daily routine activity, all other things, management. And management comes from where? Management comes from where? In our routine life we manage all these things. From where it comes? It will comes from our home kitchen. It or management will start in our life from our home kitchen. Our mother will manage all these things. What managing? Food, cleaning, clothing, or whatever the things are get empty, that will bring from the market. It will manage, she will manage money. How if particular person given a 5,000 rupees and you have to manage whole month, then financial management. How to produce food, what to produce food, that is production management. So management has comes from our home kitchen, basically from it is coming from our home kitchen. So we have seen how in F5 BBA semester 1 what are the syllabus, what is management, and we have look up what is management definition. Management is art and science of getting things done to the people. That is management છે એ કામ કરાવવાની કળા છે as well as science છે. It will not a pure science, not pure art. So it is mixture of art and science. It will daily use in our life. Yes, we have seen management concept. What are the features of management? Okay, now we discuss what are the features management has. Management has many features. First of all, it include man, machine, material, and money. All these things has a scarcity. Money, that is scarce, material, that are scarce, and manpower, skilled manpower, that is scarce. Why we have to manage all these things? Because these things were scarce in nature. Scarce means that is limited in stock. If we had all these things in an abundant manner, means વિપુલ પ્રમાણમાં આપણી પાસે આ બધી વસ્તુ હોય તો આપણે એ વસ્તુ કોઈ મેનેજ કરવાની જરૂર રહેતી નથી. પણ આ બધી વસ્તુ છે એ આપણી પાસે that is in a limited stock. So that is in scare in nature. So we have to manage all these things in a proper manner so we can utilize all these things and we can use all these things. So we can make maximum utilization. We can use particular things and make maximum output from these things. So we have to manage all these things. Then we are talking about man, material, machine, money. Second is money. Why money? Money, what are the importance of money? Money is, what is the definition of money? What we can say that this is money. Money is what money does. પૈસા શું છે? પૈસા. What is money? That is પૈસા. Money is what money does. Because પૈસાથી જે વસ્તુ થાય ને એ બધી વસ્તુ પૈસા છે. બિફોર ધ સિસ્ટમ coming into existence, the monetary system come into existence, barter system were in existence. Means you can exchange the things. If you had a wheat, you can change with the potter and you can take pot from them. So you can give wheat to the shoemaker and you can take shoe from the shoemaker. This is the barter system. There is no monetary exchange in the particular culture or system. Then after monetary system came into existence, and money will become the next thing in our body. From after the blood it will require, we have required money from early in the morning to the till night. If we don't have money, then આપણા ગુજરાતીમાં જે કહેવત છે, નાણાં વગરનો ના થયો નાણે ના થા લાલ. બરાબર છે કે આપણે સવારે આપણા જીવનમાં જેટલું મહત્ત્વ બ્લડનું છે, હાઉ blood is important in our life, the second thing is important in our life is money. તો મની પણ મેનેજ કરવી પડે છે, because we have money in a scarce in a nature. If we had in a abundant manner, means કે પુષ્કળ પ્રમાણમાં હોત મની, તો આપણે મેનેજ કરવાની જરૂર રહેતી નથી. We are not managing air. We are managing air? No. Why? Because air is naturally supplement and it is in abundant manner. It is in unlimited in stock. So we are not managing this. We are not managing water, but we have to manage it. Why? Because the scarcity of water is arising nowadays. Before we are not managing, because why? Water is in abundant, it is in unlimited in stock, but nowadays we have to manage water and all these things. So we have, what are the importance of management we have seen, okay, and then what are the features of management. Then in the planning we will see what is the planning, why planning is important in our life. We are planning each and every step in our life. We are managing all these things in our life in a planned way. So why we are planning? Because our future life will go smoothly. So we are planning in our life. But in particular organization, why they are planning? Why? What to produce in next day? What? How to survive in the market? So they have to plan all these things. What are the risks arising due to our business, or what are the risks arise in our business? So for rectifying that, we have to plan how to minimize particular risk. So we have to manage how to compete in the market. So we have to plan. All these things have to plan. Then planning has a different types. We are planning for short term, we are planning for long term, we are planning for mid term. For particular month we are planning, that is short term planning. For 1 month, 1 year or 2 year we are planning, then that is mid term planning. Then we are planning for 5 to 10 years ahead, then that is long term planning. Means that is the planning types. Then next is organizing and staffing. Organizing means આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં જેને માળખું કહીએ છીએ, કે સ્ટ્રક્ચર, કે કોઈ પણ બિઝનેસ છે એનું માળખું શું છે, કે એનું સ્ટ્રક્ચર શું છે, એની ઉપરથી આપણે ડિસાઈડ કરવાનું હોય છે. બરાબર? તો ઓર્ગેનાઇઝિંગ છે એ એક ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ વસ્તુ છે. દેન સ્ટાફિંગ, કે સ્ટાફિંગ છે એ પણ એટલું જ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ વસ્તુ છે કે ભાઈ સ્ટાફિંગ મીન્સ કે કઈ રીતે માણસોને રિક્રુટ કરવા, મીન્સ કે ભરતી કરવી, કઈ રીતે એને લોકોને પ્રોપર ટ્રેનિંગ આપવી છે. દેન હાઉ વી આર ટેકિંગ બેસ્ટ આઉટપુટ ફ્રોમ ધેમ બાય પ્રોપર ટ્રેનિંગ. સો ધીઝ આર ધ સ્ટાફિંગ. હાઉ વી મોટિવેટ ધેમ. Motivation is also one part of staffing because it requires for better output in staffing. Then directing and controlling. Directing for reaching a particular place or particular goal, we have a good and right direction. If our direction were not good, then we cannot reach anywhere. So direction should be right. So in management, direction were important. Where we want to go or where we want to reach, it should be our milestone. We have to set our milestone or goal. If all these things were not in particular organization, then they reach nothing. Means if in particular management or organization there is no milestone or no goal, they cannot reach anywhere. So milestone is required or direction should be in a proper way. And then controlling means we have to control all these things, means manpower, material, machinery, all these things should be managed or controlled. We have to manage particular things. So controlling is a tool that can manage all these things. Thank you all. This is the syllabus. We will see all these topics in a brief way in next lecture, and we have discussed today whole syllabus of fundamental of management and particular topics. What are the topics covered in fundamental of management in unit 1 to unit 4. Okay, thank you all.